Hello friends, welcome to SM Skills. Before we dive into the main content of the course, I wanted to make this video right here, just to give you a good bird's eye view overview into the exactly what goes into a typical SEO campaign. And the way I'm going to do that is by showing you the SEO campaign workflow. So here we have it. So typically, when you carry out an SEO campaign, these are the steps you are going to follow from the start to finish. Here is your first step. The first step or every SEO campaigns is what we call keyword research. So this is essentially you determine what keywords you want to target for your website. For example, if you own website which sells wireless headphones, then some keywords you may want to target could be best wireless headphones, how much do wireless headphone cost, this keyword research process. This is exactly where you determine and find a big list of those keywords. Once you have found a list of all keywords you want to target, you then move on the next step, which is the content generation. Our second step is content generation. Here you want to come up with the content ideas you can blog about on your websites. The main idea here is that you want to blog about the keyword that you found in a keyword research process. This is exactly why keyword research comes first. Once you have identified what topics you would like to blog and write about on your website, we move on to third section, which is on page SEO. Now on page SEO is basically the process you flow, they optimize your website to ensure it has strong SEO foundation. Then once you finish optimizing your website, you are going to move on to the fourth part right here, which is off-page SEO. So this is typically referred to as a link building. So building back links to your website, and then once we have started building some backlinks to our websites, we are going to move on the fifth and final part of our process, which is measure your progress. So this is exactly where you can see just how much progress you are making in a Google for the keywords you would like to target. Now if any of that sounded a little bit confusing, such as a keywords research, on page SEO and off page SEO, link building, then please don't worry about it. And as what you will please to know is that I actually have a dedicated section on each part of the SEO workflow process in this course. So there will be whole section on keyword research, there will be a whole section on content generation, on page SEO, and so on. This video right here is literally just to give you a bird overview on exactly how a typical SEO campaign works. And just to clarify it, there are additional parts to SEO such as a technical SEO, speeding up your website, user experience, but those parts are what I like to call bonus part, as they help improve the SEO of your website on the whole rather than individual workflow. However, once again, you have nothing to worry about whatsoever, as I also have a section on all those elements later on in the course too. I have put a lot of efforts in this course, so please watch, please learn whole videos, all videos, and I hope you will get too much information. And that is actually very, very actionable, and there is nothing worse than learning something which you don't know how to apply it in real world. So let's start it. If you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe us. Thank you.